This video will show you how to manage your Chrome extensions. In the upper right hand corner, click on the little puzzle piece, and you'll notice at the very bottom of the list you have Manage Extensions. This will open up the window that shows all of the extensions that you have added to your Chrome browser. Know that when you have a lot of extensions added and they are turned on, it can slow down your Chrome browser. You can actually add an extension that helps you manage your Chrome extensions, or you can come to this window here and you can toggle them on and off depending upon how often you use them. You also have the option to remove them from here, and then you will see a button for details. I suggest to always come in here and click on the details because this is where you can look at some of the permissions that they're using and make personal preferences for you. For example, on this one, I like to turn on Allow in Incognito mode so that I can take screenshots when I'm using that option. In the upper right hand corner, when you right click on the extension itself, notice it has an options menu. When I click on the options menu for Awesome Screenshot, it brings up a whole different set of things that I can look at to personalize this extension just for me. So make sure that you are looking at your extensions both in the details and you are right clicking on it and looking at the options. Notice with my icons up here too, I can choose to pin or unpin them. You can also left click and drag these to any location that you want to personalize this for you as well. And when you click on that puzzle piece, you also have those additional pin and unpin options, and you have the three dots here to look at the same thing you see when you right click on it. So take the time to look at the different options and details you have for each of your extensions. Decide which ones you want to pin to have easy access to up top.